The LiteBox3D Pro version enables the creation of redlining features. The outcome can be viewed even without a Pro license. The following video will demonstrate some of the redlining functions. Redlining elements are part of a scene, which can be added using the Add New Scene button at the top. First, one section of the model should be displayed in a different color. Select a part and apply a color through the Set Part Color function. It will be automatically saved to the scene. For the second scene, a measurement is added. Activate the scene, utilize the measurement tool to create a measurement, and then select Update Scene to include the measurement in the scene. In assemblies, individual parts can be moved within the 3D space using the Move Parts function. An explode line can also be incorporated. After adjusting the model's orientation, remember to update the scene. Text can be added within the 3D scene, with 2D text remaining stationary during model rotation and 3D text moving with the model. To add text with a line, click on the line's endpoint, drag to the desired position, and release. Ensure to update the scene to preserve the model's orientation and visibility. Scenes can be played automatically. Additional redlining functions are covered in other Lite 3D tutorial videos. Visit technia.com for more information.